Okay, got another crazy project here. So this handpan was brought to me in my shop. Somebody bought it off of Goodwill.com. So anyway, there was a big old gigantic dent right here. I don't know if you can kind of see it. I already fixed it, but it was dented in quite a bit. So I pushed it out. I already kind of got it tuned up. That was like way gone. It wasn't even a note. So the handpan currently sounds something like this. So I'm gonna tune it up. I'm gonna clean up the top, maybe clean up the bottom a little bit too. Probably put on a new ring, maybe a rubber ring or something like that, and see how it turns out. All right, here we go. All right, I just cleaned off the top and the bottom a bit. So now it's a little cleaner. Down to some tuning now. All right, so we did an A here earlier. You didn't get it on film, but here's an A. So let's see how I can do on these A's. It's always interesting working on somebody else's handpan or the way people tune differently. So just now I was exploring a couple options to make the fundamental pitch go flat, but it didn't work out the way I expected it to. So I hit a couple other spots and it's working, but I'm going to go back and forth for a while, just trying to figure out how to make this work. All right, it's pretty close. I'm going to leave it there. I got the A's for the most part. Let's go back to the F sharps. So I was able to pull in most of the octaves and fifths. So now it sounds more like a handpan should. There you go. I believe this is a La Serena scale. La Serena. So I'm going to kind of clean it up a little bit more. But the tuning for the most part is complete. Unless I notice something fall out of tune, I'll go back and clean it up. But there you go. Another project here at DIY.